My name is Onigbo Nkilu from Iwere Study and Research Center in Enugu, Nigeria, West Africa. Frequency power interruption cause a loss of hardship to our people. Power interruption is the main problem passing through our Nigeria because it affects the economic growth, health of people, and the welfare. It constrains our nation, but above all, power interruption is the main problem. This is my name, Onigbo Nkilu from Iwere Study and Research Center. Thanks.